Welcome to an Inovatek Electrical Installation Project, where innovation meets precision. Today, we take you through the meticulous process of handling 4-core 240 mm square copper steel wire armored cables, showcasing the exceptional craftsmanship of our skilled professionals and the power of the Milwaukee tools. The journey starts by cutting the steel wire armored cable. Paying close attention to detail, our experts prepare the armored cables for Glanding, ensuring a secure connection and optimal electrical conductivity. A critical safety measure guarantees durability. Witness-skilled technicians gland the steel wire armored cable with precision, forming a strong electrical connection. Our team utilized the Milwaukee M18 Fuel's logical cable cutter, guaranteeing a seamless connection. Our experts skillfully installed a 4-wire cable board, ensuring a tidy arrangement of the cables. Ensuring utmost security in electrical connections, the Milwaukee tools to crimp compression lugs onto the 500 MCM copper wire, guaranteeing a reliable and safe connection. Our professionals expertly install heat-shrinkable tubing over crimped cable lugs, blustering insulation and securing the connection for long-term reliability. Preparations defines every step. Our team readies the wire for the exothermic weld, guaranteeing a flawless fusion process. Grounding is fundamental for safety. Witness a placement of a mount over the ground wire and copper ground rod, ensuring a robust and reliable grounding system. The exothermic weld process requires skill and finesse. Our experts pour the weld and starts material into the mold, establishing a connection between the ground wire and the ground rod. Inovatek's commitment to excellence guarantees safe, reliable, and enduring electrical installation. Thank you for joining us on this journey for all your electrical needs. Trust in Inovatek for safe wiring, secure connections, and innovative solutions. Choose Inovatek, the safe way forward in reaching new frontiers.